Have you ever contemplated the possibility of extraterrestrial life? Imagine if Earth is just one of many planets in the universe where intelligent life exists. How could we know for sure? Before you dismiss this as a far-fetched idea, I highly recommend watching this video. It might completely change your perspective. Over the years, NASA has heavily invested in exploring extraterrestrial life. They've launched thousands of satellites, established scientific labs on the moon, and compiled numerous groundbreaking reports about what it might be like to discover alien life. Music. So, watch this video if you're ready to dive into some incredible information about extraterrestrials. Number 5 will definitely shock you. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Recently, TESS, the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, has been making headlines. Within just a few days in space, scientists have already identified areas where life might be possible. Over the past few years, NASA's Kepler telescope has discovered thousands of Earth-like planets. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze brightness patterns, researchers determined which of these planets might have atmospheres. TESS has identified 10 new planets within the habitable zone of their stars. This zone is where liquid water could potentially exist on a planet's surface. The TESS Telescope, a new era in space exploration. TESS is NASA's successor to the Kepler Space Telescope and focuses on finding exoplanets in the solar neighborhood, especially those orbiting bright, nearby stars. These planets are ideal candidates for detailed atmospheric analysis with ground-based and space-based telescopes. TESS's mission is to discover small planets with host stars close enough to allow thorough study. Launched on March 20th, TESS immediately began scanning the sky in both hemispheres, searching for small planets orbiting stars other than our Sun. Among the 10,000 candidates it has identified so far, some are in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions for liquid water are just right. One fascinating discovery is HD 209458b, located 169 light-years away. This planet orbits a star smaller and cooler than our Sun and is believed to have an atmosphere containing water vapor and carbon dioxide. Researchers suspect it might even be a super-Earth. What makes a planet habitable? Scientists consider several factors when determining whether an environment is habitable. Water vapor content. The most basic requirement is the presence of water vapor in the atmosphere. Liquid water must exist on the planet's surface, with temperatures neither too high nor too low. Atmospheric temperature. The gas temperature in a planet's atmosphere is critical. At extremely low temperatures, below 100 Kelvin, water vapor condenses into liquid droplets. Warmer atmospheres contain gases that trap heat, making conditions potentially suitable for life. Atmospheric composition. The sulfur content and overall composition of the atmosphere also matter. Planets that are too gaseous, like Neptune, or too small, like Jupiter's moons, are less likely to sustain life. Notable discoveries. Kepler 7b. This exoplanet orbits its star in a relatively close circle, allowing for the potential presence of liquid water on its surface. Although it's closer to its star than Neptune is to the Sun, the conditions make it a promising candidate for further study. Remarkably, Kepler 7b is the smallest exoplanet ever discovered, and scientists have even mapped its cloud patterns. Stay tuned for more discoveries as missions like TESS continue to explore the vastness of space, uncovering planets that could one day change the way we view our place in the universe. Have you ever contemplated aliens? Have you ever pondered the possibility that we are not alone? What if Earth is just one of many planets in the universe, and intelligent life is out there somewhere, just like here on Earth? How are we supposed to know? Before you dismiss this as a ridiculous question, I highly recommend you watch this video. It could genuinely change your perspective. Over the last several years, NASA has heavily invested in researching extraterrestrial life. They've sent thousands of satellites into space, built scientific labs on the moon, and drafted numerous groundbreaking reports about what it might be like to discover alien life. Music. So, watch this video if you're ready for some incredible information about extraterrestrials. Number 5 will certainly shock you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. TESS has been in space for only a few days, but scientists have already discovered where life could be possible. In the last few years, NASA's Kepler telescope has identified thousands of planets that are roughly Earth-sized. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze their brightness, scientists have been able to determine which of these planets have atmospheres. TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, has identified 10 new planets that orbit within the habitable zone of their stars. This is the range of distances where liquid water could exist on a planet's surface. What is the TESS telescope? The TESS telescope, which is the successor to NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, searches for planets outside our solar system. It specifically looks for exoplanets in the solar neighborhood, focusing on planets orbiting bright, nearby stars. The primary goal of the TESS mission is to detect small planets with bright host stars so that their atmospheres can be studied in detail. Launched on March 20th, TESS began operating immediately, scanning the entire sky in both the northern and southern hemispheres. Among the 10,000 candidates it has identified so far, there are planets hotter than Mercury and others that sit in the Goldilocks zone, where liquid water can exist on their surfaces. Within this zone, a planet's atmosphere and temperatures must be just right to sustain life. Example discoveries. HD 209,458b. This planet is 169 light-years away and orbits a star smaller and cooler than our Sun. Scientists believe it has an atmosphere containing water vapor and carbon dioxide, making it a super-Earth. What do scientists mean by habitable zone? There are several factors considered when determining if a planet's environment is habitable. Water vapor content. The presence of water vapor in a planet's atmosphere is a critical indicator. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it, and a planet's temperature plays a significant role in determining water state. Gas temperature. The atmosphere's gas composition is also vital. Air that is too cold or too warm may lack the right conditions for supporting life. Surface composition. Planets in the habitable zone must also be rocky. Too much gas, and they become Neptune-like. Too little, and they resemble Jupiter. Kepler 7b. This planet orbits its star in a relatively close circle, making it just within the distance where liquid water could be stable. Although smaller than Neptune, it is close enough to its star that it might support liquid water. What's fascinating is that Kepler 7b is the smallest exoplanet ever discovered orbiting a star. Researchers have even mapped its cloud patterns and observed moon-like phases. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries from the TESS telescope. The possibilities of finding alien life are closer than ever before. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for updates on the latest in space exploration.